Do you want to make a 3D printing object to show the true beauty of your design? Introducing ZoomMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer. It's been designed to be compact and easy to use. Just plug and play. To start printing is super easy. Download your file to an SD card. Insert ZoomMaker with resin filament. Touch the screen, and you're all set. While printing, the 3.5-inch touchscreen keeps you updated on the status. It has a UV-protected translucent cover to avoid any disruption or damage. The print area is 140 by 120 by 68 millimeters with 0.045 millimeter XY resolution and Z resolution up to 0.01 millimeters. ZoomMaker not only has a larger volume for building, but also has a faster printing speed of 20 to 25 millimeters per hour. And most important, it still maintains printing quality. Once finished, simply open the cover and enjoy your design. Easy and simple. ZoomMaker comes with several types of resins for different creations, and you can build with any color you want. The possibilities are endless. ZoomMaker represents a new medium for artists, makers, designers, and hobbyists ready to make imagination a reality. And ZoomMaker comes with free and easy-to-use software to get you started right away. Let's make ZoomMaker together.